Good morning. This is Frank with the Morning Quick Shot. We get started, and it's going to be a pretty quick one. Still not feeling very well from the sickness over the weekend. Looks like we opened up about 2062 last night and moved right up into a first target zone of 69.25, overnight high 69.75. Came all the way back through 24-hour VWAP and then down into major zone area. So we traded zone to zone up and down. Looks like at that time low was 2061 right there. Right back up as we went through the 24-hour VWAP. We did a test of it and then straight back down to hit a pivot point, come back to test this zone at the 2062 level area, and then we've headed straight back down. Now it's still pre-market hours, haven't reached and we haven't reached the bottom yet, so it'll keep going lower more than likely. So we might put in a bottom somewhere at this zone around the 2055 area, but let's keep an eye on it and see what happens. So if we take a look at what's going on for the next 3 to 5 minutes, we're going to see that to the downside, if we continue this move, into the market open and after market open, we hit this zone, it'll probably come back up and retest this area again, and then come back down, test this 2052 area, this 52 area, look for it to come back up and retest this area. But keep in mind, this is a real strong area. We've got two pivots, DTZ, and one of our zones from structure. So very strong area to keep in mind that we could just get a bounce right here this morning and go all the way back up to this 2068 level. Um, After that, if it comes back into this area, if we get a retest this area, look for it to go short again, and then retest down to this mid of the zone, probably right on the 49 level. If it can break that, we're going to look to move forward, move down to 47, come back up and retest this zone, and then down into the 40, 45 area right in here, 45.25. After that, that's probably about as low as we're going to go. We might come down and test this 42 bottom. I'd be start looking for the market to get very tired in this area and looking for a reversal for the overall day. So if it gets down here, be considered a down day. I would just not take anything to the long side until you're absolutely sure that the market is moving back to the upside. Now let's talk about to the upside real quick. If the market comes down and touches this pre-market resistance right here, support right here, then look for this trade to come right in here. But don't, if you're going to take this trade to the long side, it'd be great. Look for targets up here into the 61 area. Don't be surprised at the pause of the pullbacks on these two pivot lines. Once you get into this area right here, you got to just stay clear, wait for it to clear the zone, clear the 24-hour VWAP, and then wait for it to clear this DTZ. Red line is 63.25. Once we get clear of this, aggressive longs though enter along. Look for a first target at the overnight high at 69.50, and then look for some retracements back into the zone, probably all the way back down to the 65 area. After that, we should look for, if this is going to be a trend day, we'll look for the upside here. Watch for the double bottom on the first time, and again here at this top sign for this market to just fail and come all the way back down. We'll be aware of that. But if it does hit this area, that's the third time. When it pulls right here, look for it to climb all the way up to this next zone. Nothing's in the way. Today it looks like you just probably move right back up into the 70 areas. After hitting this area, it might go ahead and drive all the way up to this line right here at 75. At 75, look for a pullback back into the 69 area, and then look for it to go up or just consolidate in this area depending on the time of day. So be cautious of that. Once you break this area, after you get the pullback, whether it's all the way down here or somewhere between, then look for it to break through and hit this next zone at 79. Zone after that will be the 84 area, so keep an eye on that. 84 is probably the high for the day if we even get a true up 10 day. So just be cautious, be careful. If you have any questions, contact Frank at tradestalkers.com and have a great day.